Welcome back to the show, everybody. It's been a pretty long day on the road. We got some good stuff today. So yeah, good news to share on the X231 front. I spoke with the radiator rebuilders this morning, and as luck would have it, everything was ready for pickup. So here it is. Brand new, custom built, hand soldered radiator core. All copper core. We're 3 tubes deep, just like the original. Everything on this was patterned off of that. So it is a direct fit replacement. The only thing they didn't do was radius these square corners off of the header plates, and they said they would feel better if I did that. And we basically just have to replicate this right here on all the corners. No big deal at all. So there was our old one, and here's our new, and it is raw. It's not even painted yet. So really happy with the results here, and honestly it feels good having all these 10X parts back here at the home shop. Not that I was too worried, but with one-of-one pieces, I just like having them here in my possession. And this shows you as well, you know, all the flash rust that started on the bolster, which isn't a big deal. I planned on that happening. But if you keep parts like this in this shop, climate controlled, they stay clean in raw metal almost indefinitely. And you can see how flash rust crept back in, but that's okay. We can go clean all that back off again. I still needed to get some blasting done down inside here where that steering pedestal pivot goes, but yeah, really happy with the results, happy with the new core, happy to have all that back home. And for anyone that's looking to have custom radiator core work, repair, fabrication done, as always, here's the contact information. And that's not all. Some more exciting X231 news. It was about a month ago, my local tractor salvage yard found me some more parts that we were in need of for this project. So you remember the short and correct front steering pedestal that was on X231 when we got her, and I thought the production 445 parts tractor pedestal would have been good, but then it ended up being badly worn on both sides from incorrect tires. Well, my local tractor salvage yard, once again, credit where credit is due, thanks Jensen Tractor, found me a very good condition production 445 front pedestal. It's got all the correct 10A casting numbers on, no wear, spindles look good, sealed deflectors, dust shield still in place, and threw in a critter nest for free. It's all right. They like to fill these hollow cavities, so we'll just keep knocking stuff out the bottom until nothing else comes out. But there we are, another good workable piece that we needed for old Christine. And final bit of news I want to share with you all. If you remember back to the X231 backstory episode, when my grandfather got this tractor, the rear wheels were not a part of the deal. So I've been doing some scrounging for wheels. This is the best that I've been able to come up with. Turns out these are pretty hard to find around this area, but the ZBs and the 445s used these 10-inch wide, 38-inch diameter, low drop, stamped steel center 9-bolt pattern, rolled center opening rims. That's what this one is. That's what that one is. This one is, I would say, pretty solid. It's got a few dings I need to hammer out of that bead, but aside from that, it's going to clean up. It's going to be a very good wheel. It's matched though. Not so good. The whole center is good. Matches every aspect of that one. But this one had fluid in, and for a while. You see that? Nothing left of that rim. So, being we've got such a good center, and I can't find anything better than this. This is the best I've been able to come up with. My plan is to take this new 10 by 38 low drop center rim blank. We will cut this rusted one off of this center, transfer that blank onto that center, and we'll have a good matching set of rear wheels for X231. And this is going to be a rather interesting project for the feed. Getting this off of here, this was the, I believe, the riveted. Yes, that's the riveted design. And I just noticed that. Hope we don't get stung. All right, take a step back. Yeah, that's going to be an interesting swap, because that steel center is not a light fit inside of that new rim blank. But we'll get it all set up, get that old one off, then we'll center it, true it, probably tack it, I was going to say solder, sorry, re-rivet, probably back up with some weld. It'd be an interesting little deal, but that's a good start for turning X231 into a roller. So I'm happy to be able to share this exciting news with you all. I certainly didn't intend on turning today into an extended road trip, but everything fell into place this morning, so we went and we got it done. It's a good item to have ticked off the list. And also wanted to show the X231 fans, y'all haven't had an episode on this in a while. Between everything, been keeping me busy outdoors with the summer, the farm all that just won't quit, and the building that we're finishing up, I haven't been actively working on this project for most of the summer, but I've been keeping a lot of plates spinning in the background, constantly trying to line up parts, source pieces that I don't have, or upgrade to better pieces over what I do have. So it's all a part of the struggle. We never quit. So I hope you all enjoyed the episode. You are up to speed on all the X231 developments. I'm still looking for some front wheels. I've got several around here, but no good matching pair yet. So the search continues in that department. Eventually something will turn up. So until next time, thank you everyone for watching. Hope to see you all back again.